दर्यातल्या आपत्कालीन वेळार योग्य सेवा मेळची म्हूण गोंय सरकारान टग बोट हाडिल्ली. मात सद्याक ही बोट आसून नासून एकूच अशी परिस्थिती. ताचे कारण म्हळ्यार ह्या बोटीर 9 स्टाफ जाय. एक कॅप्टन, एक इंजिन ड्रायव्हर, एक हेल्पमॅन, एक ऑइलमॅन, ताचे भायर 5 सेलर. मात रातच्या वेळार फकत 4 सेलर असतात. हेर स्टाफ घरा. हे विशीं कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टाच्या संचालकाक विचारल्यार तो म्हणटा दिसाचे 9 स्टाफ असतात, मात रातच्या वेळार खंय 4 जाण. कितें आपत्कालीन परिस्थिती आयल्यार हेरांक फोन करतले. अर्द्या वरा भितर खंय सगळे जाण ड्युटेर पावतले.
9 crew is there. Okay, so master, driver, okay, oilman, and Konkani. Okay, so like this, around 9 crew is there on board. Okay, so now during the daytime, okay, during the daytime, if there are any everybody is present. Everybody is there. All the crew is there during the day. In the night, we are keeping only skeleton crew. Okay, that is for emergency because there are not any operations taking place in the night. So I cannot keep our crew working for 24 hours and then they asking me 3 days off. You know, it's not our competence. Okay, so we have to use optimum usage of the our crew available. So I have to use it in that way. That shows our competence. At night we have kept 4 people, and in case of any emergency, they will immediately give us a call, and immediately the master driver, all are arranged within half an hour. The boat will be out from our sleeping jetty.
प्रुडंटा खातीर रुपेश राऊत.